Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Sunday Morning Drives. Today I'm very lucky to have a Lotus Emira. This is the Emira i4 Turbo. So this comes with a AMG powered 2-liter turbocharged engine and with a DCT dual clutch gearbox. What's different from this car to the car that we have reviewed before on our channel is that this car now is wrapped in this very beautiful British green color with gold wheels. This car is also fitted with a Milltek catback exhaust. So remember last time when we reviewed this car, we did say that we wish that the car could have sounded louder and more exciting. So now with this Milltek exhaust upgrade, I will do a quick review of the car and see if it's more exciting, if it's louder, if it's any better. So it's interesting to jump into this car again. So this car comes with an automatic gearbox. So it's very easy to drive. As a daily, this is really nice because you don't have to worry about shifting gears yourself. Right now we're in tour mode. It's a very comfortable car. This car has a very supple suspension setup. So driving this daily is actually very good. It's also very nice looking. Every time when I look at an Emira, I'm always blown away by its looks. It looks like a supercar. And also it's very practical as well. It's got a decent sized boot and there are storage areas behind the seats. You can actually fit a set of golf clubs in the passenger seat area. But if you want to bring a cart with you, even if it's a very compact and light cart, it doesn't fit at the rear boot space. It's a bit too high for it. But you can always put this in the front where the passenger seat is. It's got all sorts of storage for daily use. Got cup holders, bins on the door cards. Yeah, it's just a very nice and practical car. If you want to travel with this or daily, this is totally fine. So even with the Milltek exhaust in tour mode, which we are in right now, it still sounds quite quiet. The Milltek has a valve system that opens up if you turn into sport mode or if you rev up past 4,000 RPM. The Milltek system also comes with a remote that you can control to open and close the valve. So if you open up the valve, the exhaust will definitely become a bit louder, even in tour mode. One small complaint I have with tour mode is that the throttle response is actually quite delayed. I guess that's the whole point of having a tour mode, is to keep the comfort level there. But I would have wished that the throttle response could have been a little bit sharper to make this car, even in tour mode, feels a bit more sporty and feels a bit more special. After all, this is a mid-engine sports car. But once you turn into sport mode, which I will do now, the throttle response becomes sharper and also the valve of the exhaust opens up. So you can hear there's more noise coming from the back. If I step on it, wow, that sounds quite exciting and it's much louder than the stock exhaust. Yeah, it's a good note. But I would have wished that in sport mode there have been more pops and bangs, like most of the AMG cars, where when you lift up the throttle there's backfire. But in the Emira, even if we upgrade the exhaust, there's still not much pops and bangs coming from the back. And this exhaust upgrade also increases the horsepower of this car by around 10%. So that's always a very good addition to this already quite powerful car. So let's do a quick acceleration in sport mode. Wow. It does sound really nice. because I always believe sound is part of the driving experience. And driving on this back road, even today it's quite damp, but you can still feel the Emira, the handling is so good. The steering is also nicely weighted. This is a hydraulic rack, which most of the sports car companies don't do anymore. Most of the modern sports cars nowadays are electrically assisted racks. So for Lotus to still keep this hydraulic rack is really nice. It feels really organic, and the weight of it is just perfect. And you can feel that turning into corners, this car is actually quite neutral. And with now the louder exhaust, I think this makes this car even more exciting and even more fun to drive. When you rev it up past 4,000 RPM, this is just a very fun machine to drive. It's also really nice using these beautiful metal pedals behind the steering wheel. The downshift is just instantaneous. Upshift, there's a little bit of a tiny delay on the upshift, but the downshift is really nice. And the rev matching sound coming from this new upgraded exhaust is also great. Second gear, third gear. Woo. So overall, I think this is a nice upgrade to the Turbo Emira. This Milltek catback exhaust is actually quite nice. There's not much droning, it sounds great. And if you want to keep it quiet, you just keep the valve shut. It can be a quiet ride. But once the valve opens up, and if you rev up past 4,000 RPM, this becomes a really nice sounding and really exciting car to drive. And overall, the Emira is still a very good sports car. It's very practical, and also it's great in terms of its handling, its steering feel, and its looks. And the interior quality is perfect. Special thanks to Lotus Auckland for lending me this car to review. And if you're looking for a Lotus, do give them a call and they'll definitely look after you. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you again in our next video.